We are tracking a major storm tonight, of course, Hurricane Helene making its way across the panhandle of Florida.
Yeah, it's going to be amazing because it's probably not done getting stronger yet. Its winds are 120. It's a Category 3. 129 constitutes a Category 4. I know we get caught up in the categories. We really got to get caught up in the impacts that this will bring to that part of the world, the Big Bend area especially.
And here, Rob, you know, the thing that scares me is you're saying the tornado threat really ramps up tonight.
It ramps up tonight, but still it's ongoing right now.
Right.
I'll show you what's happening. We've already had some tornado warnings from some spin-ups off the coast that moved onshore, and we're very familiar with that, most recently with Tropical Storm Debbie when we had those storms roll on in. As far as what's happening right now, lots of raindrops on the camera lens in downtown Charleston. I don't think flooding is going to be a big issue. These storms are moving pretty quickly. What will be a big issue, especially late tonight and into tomorrow, will be the gusty winds in addition to the possibility of tornadoes. Hurricane warning still up for that Big Bend area of Florida, north and northwest of Tampa, all the way almost to the end of the panhandle. But what's also amazing is the fact that this hurricane warning goes all the way up Interstate 75, just about to the north of Macon, almost to Atlanta. So we expect this to maintain its hurricane strength all the way into almost North Georgia, and that's why the folks in the Atlanta metropolitan area are certainly watching this very closely, as are we. Tropical storm warnings for our entire state, so everybody appears to be in line for some tropical storm force winds. So here's what we think is going to happen. Our impacts really haven't changed from when we showed you this yesterday. Still about 1 to 3 inches of rain. Some areas could pick up a little bit more. 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts and some even higher. That tornado threat, again, we've already had some tornado warnings issued for Bamberg, Orangeburg County, Clarendon County, also down into Beaufort and Jasper County earlier. High impact in the Midlands, a higher impact in the upstate. That's where we're expecting not just the possibility of tornadoes and wind damage, but tremendous amounts of rain. This storm is just a monster, if you will, as it's moving off to the north and northeast. Now, eventually, we think it is going to make more of a northerly movement. It was continuing that north-northeast movement. Obviously, it would have a chance to go over Florida back into the Atlantic Ocean. I don't think that's going to happen. I feel pretty confident that is not going to happen. It is now a Category 3 hurricane, potentially will be a Category 4. And oh, by the way, there's another tropical system named Isaac. It got named early this morning. Don't worry about Isaac. We're going to put that on the back burner. It is moving away. So let me show you Helene's winds now as we take you through time. Clearly, you can see where the hurricane force winds are. I can tell you that the tropical storm force winds extend out well over 300 miles from the center on the southeast side, and that's generally where we are and will be for the next few hours into early tomorrow morning. So this is 7 o'clock. You can see the center hasn't really crossed over yet, but the hurricane force winds are bleeding back over towards the western portions of the peninsula of Florida. Meanwhile, by the time we get to midnight, now we're starting to see our winds ramp up, especially along the coast. Even some hurricane force winds moving into the southern portions of Georgia. Then we move on into 4 o'clock in the morning. The reason we want to talk about that is that's when we'll see some of these showers and thunderstorms. Clearly, you can see where the winds are coming from the southeast to the northwest. That will be moving those storms on through. Even into tomorrow morning, it's going to be rather breezy, and I would say by later in the afternoon, things will really improve. So that kind of gives you a timeline exactly when we think those strong winds will be here. 76 inland, 78 at the coast, showers and thunderstorms. The winds will start to ramp up as we head into the overnight. Meanwhile, here's your looking ahead forecast. 87 for tomorrow. Showers and thunderstorms likely early in the day, and then we'll start to see improvement. I think the winds are going to take a while to ramp down. That's most likely why some of the schools are now in e-learning tomorrow, because when these kids would be heading to school, school buses, the like, winds will be fairly strong then. Saturday and Sunday, now we're going to clear things out a little bit. Looks like drier air is going to move in, so we've got a nice weekend coming up with mid to upper 80s. Next week also starting out pretty nice. That's our inland outlook. Here comes your beach forecast with a chance of showers and thunderstorms, gusty winds in the morning time, improving weather Friday, much improved at the beach Saturday and Sunday.